If you're passionate about baked goods, then you may have seen your favorite pastry chefs using the best airbrush for cookies to decorate their creations. It's an innovative way to add artistic detail and depth to desserts. With some airbrush color and perhaps a stencil, you can make aesthetically pleasing as well as scrumptious treats for a wedding, birthday party, holiday, or special event. Plus, you'll no longer have to spend time mixing food color into fondant or icing in order to do it. We've researched and discovered 8 top-rated airbrushes for cookies, as well as the worst one to avoid. And now for the Freshness.com reviews of the 8 best airbrush for cookies, plus the worst one to avoid. Coming in at number 1, Cake Boss Decorating Tools Red Food Brushing Kit. This chrome-plated airbrush is versatile and easy to use, which is why it's ideal for beginners and experts. Some consider this the best airbrush for cookies with its specifications and features. It's powered by an 18 psi compressor unit featuring 9 watts of power. It has 3 adjustable levels you can choose from. Cake Boss Decorating Tools Red Food Airbrushing Kit is very easy to use. Simply turn it on, pour some airbrush color into the reservoir and gently pull the trigger. You can color cakes, cookies as a whole, or you can airbrush over stencils. More so, you can write and create detailed designs too. In this kit, you get a plastic hose, special nozzle wrench, plastic dropper, AC1V, 5HZ, 60HZ adapter, and a case. You also get an instruction booklet containing a detailed guide on how to effectively use the kit. This airbrush kit makes decorating fun and effortless, allowing you to make some creative cookies and cakes. Use the best Cake Boss airbrush for cookies with other Cake Boss bakeware and tools for the ultimate airbrush experience and results. Coming in at number 2, the Master Airbrush Complete Decorating Set. If you're a beginner and somewhat intimidated by using an airbrush for the first time, the best Master Airbrush for cookies is definitely something you should consider. It's ideal for people who've never used one before and want to master the craft of airbrush decorating, feel inviting. Each of the airbrushes included deliver unique results. The set is easy to use and maneuver with, which is why it's often recommended for beginners. Master Airbrush Complete Decorating Set features the G34 Dual Action Airbrush, E91 Siphon Feed Airbrush, and TC20 Air Compressor. The Master Airbrush Model TC20 Airbrush Compressor is lightweight and easily portable with a carrying handle. It's powered by the 15 HP motor delivering high air volume of 0.7 CFM. On top of that, the kit includes 12 different food colors and 7-ounce bottles. All the colors are made in the US containing FDA-approved ingredients. You also get instructional airbrush guidebook to help you as you practice. Coming in at number 3, PointZero Cake Airbrush Decorating Kit. Though this one works well for beginners, it's a kit that's also suitable for well-advanced pastry chefs and professionals. It features the PZ258, PZ260, and PZ276 airbrushes, ideal for all kinds of decorating. The kit is perfect for covering large areas as well as doing more detailed stuff. It comes with an Elite 125X compressor powered by a 15 HP motor. All airbrushes feature single and dual action, which makes the kit one of the most versatile. Single action is easier to use and less prone to clogging. It takes a single press of the trigger to release both paint and air. The dual action takes a bit of practice, but it's the best one for precise and detailed designs. PointZero Cake Airbrush Decorating Kit includes 12 paints, 0.64 ounces each. The paints are highly concentrated, non-toxic, and completely safe. You'll especially love the colors if you're vegan or lactose intolerant because each is dairy-free. You also get 7 airbrush guides to help you achieve ultimate results. Coming in at number 4, Duff Airbrush System. Another simple option is the Duff compressor and airbrush that deliver professional results with ease. It's best for covering large areas, though it could do some detailed work too. The kit is versatile and suitable for beginners as well as experienced bakers. However, the results it delivers greatly depend on your own skill set and the way you use the airbrush system. Duff Airbrush System has an adjustable air pressure providing 3 settings of application. Use the high setting to cover large areas, medium for simple airbrushing, and low setting for details. Many people love it for its portability and compact design, considering it to be the best Duff airbrush for cookies. More so, it's equally as easy to set up as it is to use. The entire set includes the air compressor, airbrush, hose, and AC power adapter. However, no colors are included, so you'd have to purchase them separately. It's an excellent choice for people who want to try airbrushing for the first time, since the kit is quality yet simple to maneuver with. Coming in at number 5, Master Airbrush Multi-Purpose Gravity Feed Dual Action Airbrush Kit with 6-foot hose. If you're a beginner but still want the top of what the market has to offer, you should definitely consider this one. This one is professional grade but a suitable decorating tool for beginners and students who are just starting off in baking. Master Airbrush Multi-Purpose Gravity Feed Dual Action Airbrush Kit with 6-foot hose comes with a 0.33mm tip Master Airbrush and a model G22 multi-purpose airbrush, along with a 1/3 ounce gravity fluid cup. The versatile and user-friendly gravity feed brush is the reason why so many students of cookie decorating and beginner hobbyists opt for this kit in particular. The compressor included in the TC20 air compressor, it features an air filter, the pressure regulator, so you're certain that everything is working correctly. Its 6-foot hose provides maneuverability you'd need when making big cakes. The hose alone makes the process so much more effortless and enjoyable. You also get an instructional booklet to help you learn and master all the airbrushing skills. Coming in at number 6, the Airbrush Cake Decorating Kit with Airbrushes and Air Compressor by Master Airbrush. This is another great cookie decorating tool by Master Airbrush. It has all you need in airbrush to create fun and exciting cookie decorations. The TC20 model compressor is easy to use and carry. Airbrush Cake Decorating Kit with Airbrush and Air Compressor by Master Airbrush comes with a G22 gravity feed airbrush and G68 and E91 siphon feed airbrushes. All brushes are easy to maintain by just rinsing them with water. Compressor and the rest of the kit should only be wiped clean with maybe a damp cloth. The compressor has an automatic on-off shutdown system that ensures the safe use of the kit. It also features an air regulator to prevent overheating along with a water tap filter. The package includes 4 bottles of food coloring and a training book to help you get started in airbrushing. This airbrushing kit is one of the best ones for both professionals and beginners because it's simple but versatile. Coming in at number 7, the Paasche Airbrush FP4P AMZ Flow Pencil for Cookies Cupcake. A pencil airbrush is ideal for all who don't make cakes and cookies as often. If you don't need a large airbrush kit, this small appliance is probably just enough for you. It delivers outstanding results and it's arguably much easier to use than large airbrush compressors. Because of its convenient shape, the pen is maneuverable and easy to control. This allows you to do all kinds of designs and detailed decorations on icings and fondants. Paasche Airbrush FP4P AMZ Flow Pencil for Cookies Cupcakes comes with 4 tip sizes, each delivering different results. Some are wider than the others, so you'd be able to do most of the detailed work using just this pen. Due to its size, the pen isn't the best choice to cover large areas. However, the overall compact size has a significant benefit too. You easily pack it up and carry with you everywhere you go. Coming in at number 8, US Cake Supply Complete Decorating Airbrush Kit. If you want a kit that has everything you possibly need, this might be the one. It includes an airbrush and air compressor with 3 different settings. The package features 12 vibrant food colors that are entirely safe to use. There's an airbrush food coloring chart so you can learn how to achieve your favorite shades. On top of that, a user manual guide is also included with some tips and tricks on how to master this decoration technique. Follow these techniques and tricks to learn, and you'll become more and more comfortable using the compressor with time. US Cake Supply Complete Decorating Airbrush Kit is the type of airbrush kit that even kids can use. All you have to do is add a few drops of color, turn on the compressor, and pull the trigger. You can quickly draw and write and decorate your desserts any way you like. Cakes, cookies, icing, fondant, creams, and pretty much everything else will look far better with the US Cake Supply Airbrush kit. And now for the airbrush for cookies to avoid. The Master Airbrush Cake Decorating System 4-Color Chefmaster Color Kit. At a glance, Master Airbrush Cake Decorating System 4-Color Chefmaster Color Kit may seem like a good kit that has all you need. And though it does include model TC20 air compressor and 12 bottles of food color, the kit is hard to maintain. Its airbrush and needle are hard to clean up. More so if you fail to clean it up well enough. The paint will build up, clogging the needle beyond repair. The colors are of good quality and FDA approved, but the compressor itself isn't at a satisfactory level. Furthermore, it comes with no assembly construction that would be more than useful to beginners and students. You may do without instruction if it was any other kit in the matter, but this one is quite tricky to figure out. The complicated maintenance, of course, shortens its overall lifespan, since you probably won't be able to keep it as clean as you should. Many experienced bakers think of it as one of the worst airbrush for cookies on the market for all the reasons already listed. And now for the Freshness.com final thoughts on buying the best airbrush for cookies. At this point, you've probably decided on an airbrush that will work the best for you. It's easy to see why these innovative and fun decorating tools are taking over kitchens and bakeries all over the world. Still, make sure to choose carefully by considering one of these best airbrush for cookie options that we have recommended. These are the very top of the market due to the quality results that each model delivers.